We had to skip to the bases in the odd innings. Afterwards, we drove through Sunny Grill in Mar Vista, where the marine layer made it look like an 80s music video. Brian's breakfast sandwich was the best, but it was all tasty. The next day, we hit up Astro Burger on Santa Monica Boulevard. Decent burgers, great pumpkin shakes. Damn.
The next morning, we woke up, tagged the car, turned it into the LA Foodie Mobile. Our first stop, the Donut Hole in La Puente. The building here is the real star, but get the glazed if you dig donuts. Then to Chris's Burgers in La Puente. Cool sign, decent pastrami burger. We like the fries. The girl in the drive-thru in front of us told us to go to Bob's Burgers, also in La Puente. Decent burgers, even better fries. They got a cool